Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can add download links in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. So I have created this design and I'm going to add download link to this particular object that I have created. You can add download links to anything. You can add download links to text, object or any image that you want. And in fact, I have already made a video on how to create download links in CorelDRAW. So on that video, so many people asked me that how we can add download links in CorelDRAW. So this is the procedure is pretty much similar. So I'm going to tell you now. So this is the object that I'm going to add the download links on. So before that, we need to create the download link. So I'm going to create a download link from Google Drive. You can create it from any website. Let's say if you have a website, you simply need to copy the URL, the link, and you need to add it to CorelDRAW. So this is the file. This is the audio file that I'm going to add the download link for. So this I have downloaded from pexels.com. This is free, absolutely free, and I have uploaded this on Google Drive. So I'm going to create a link first. So get link. And make sure if you're using Google Drive, make sure this is set to anyone with the link, so that anyone who clicks on the link in your document should be able to access the link. So copy link. So this is copied now, done. And I'm going to click on this object and we need to turn on the toolbar first, which is the internet toolbar. Internet toolbar, and select link and paste the link over here. And remember, after pasting the link, don't forget to press enter, and if you're using Mac, then return, press enter, otherwise the link won't be created. So make sure that you press enter. So this is the link has been created. Now you need to export it to PDF. So file, export, set the location, and let's say I'll choose one and save as type PDF, export, current document, okay. Now this is the link. So I will double click to open it. So this is the link. As you can see, if I hover the cursor, you can already see the link. So if I click on the link will be, as you can see, this is the link. I'll show you again. I will turn off and this click. As you can see, the link is opened, and from this link you can simply download the audio, video or any document. So click. So your download will begin. Set the location. So this is how we can firstly create the download link, and then we can simply add the download link in CorelDRAW. So I hope this video was helpful for you, especially those who commented on that previous video. So if you do find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.